Oh! I don't know, man. Oh! She's running good today. What are you doing?
Bring the mall.
Huh?
Did you bring the mall?
You want to go to the mall? Cummins was here. What?
Right there?
You can do it right there.
Buddy, I need this whole collection.
Collection of what?
Flashlights. A Big Daddy. A Little Daddy.
Where'd you get those?
And then I just got this headlamp. I have a flashlight problem.
All right, so why do you want to go from those to those again?
I'm sick of this. This is a nightmare. I mean, look at the size difference. I'm gonna be like a fucking agile cat.
I mean, the truck's definitely going to feel a lot quicker with the little tires.
I mean, that's a heavy tire.
All right, guys. So mid tire change, he's going from the big wheels down to the little wheels because he's sick of the big wheels throwing stuff all over the side, which those look really good. I bet you'll be going back to those. All right, so anyways, I get a ton of questions about my truck, what it currently runs. So for a while now, I've been slowly changing a whole bunch of stuff on my truck, but JB's truck here is running the absolute baseline that you can run. That is our stage 1 kit. Now, as you can see here, that this is 100% factory looking, right? So there's factory intake, it's behind the battery. EGR is still on the truck. Factory intake manifold, factory hot side pipe, factory cooled side pipe. Everything under here is 100% stock. So essentially, he only has 2 modifications on this truck. One of them being the exhaust, okay? So this is the muffler delete all the way through. This isn't just the muffler delete pipe, this is the muffler delete and over the axle part. You guys understand what I mean when I'm saying that. So along with the muffler delete exhaust, he's running the tuning. With these trucks and tuning, it is very, very crucial to have the right tunes. On my truck, my 2017 Platinum, I was running this exact kit for a long time. And here was the exact dyno results. Now this isn't fudge, this isn't any way changed. On max power level, the truck made 614 horsepower and 1,132 pound-feet of torque to the wheels. So you can see there was stock power level was 468, then I think like maybe power level 3 was 558, and then max power level 5 on the shift on the fly switch was running 614 wheel horsepower and 1,132 pound-feet of torque. Now that is to the wheels on the dyno. I did a whole video about it and the whole process, and everyone kind of still thinks that it's not possible. Now the only one who thinks it's not possible is someone who's never drove one of these trucks with this stage 1 kit. Is absolutely unbelievable. I hope this video can answer, a lot of the questions about these trucks. It's very, very simple. Stage 1 gets you entry level through the door to run the tuning, and the trucks run absolutely amazing. But this truck is running only the stage 1 kit. Just for a little example, guys, I always recommend when you're running a stage 1 kit on your truck or any type of shift on the fly, it doesn't have to be mine, doesn't have to be anyone else's, any shift on the fly, make sure you hardwire the switch on. So we have Black Friday coming up. At Black Friday, we are gonna run absolute smoking deals on pretty much all the 6.7 Powerstroke stuff on the website. I'm gonna be adding several more parts, so stay tuned for the Black Friday stuff. Within the next couple videos in between now and then, I will obviously keep updating you guys on what kind of sales I'm gonna be running, what kind of parts I'm gonna be adding, but it's gonna be a big deal and it's gonna be awesome. So, Black Friday, mark it down, shop Modern Diesel. I don't even think that we knew that there was a thing in there. Nail.
needs a screw. One?
I don't know.
Definitely be haters out there telling us the tube is obviously going to create.
Right. Maybe we should have YouTubed it.
Dude, ain't going in.
Wow.
Dude, it's on there. Oh, shit.
Ripped it.
Hold on.
You didn't lube it.
Exactly.
No wonder 2 didn't go in.
Exactly. Maybe we should have got like the deluxe kit.
This is like entry level kit.
Yeah. I don't know, man. Oh!
Too far. Aren't you supposed to leave them stick out a little bit and trim them off?
100%.
Oh.
We're in trouble now,
Doom.
boys. Oh, no, no, no.
Oh, might as well just ream it through,
Ream it through.
and just put a new one in.
You think? Maybe try reaming it out.
You're probably gonna have to push it through. It's like one of them Chinese finger traps. Oh.
Ow! Dangerous.
Reamed your finger.
Holy shit.
Gently, just a tip.
I feel like we should send 2. How do you
It's
feel
gonna
about
go,
it?
it's gonna shoot through. Oh yeah, hammer it. It's gonna launch
How do you
it.
feel about it?
I feel like it needs to go in more. Oh, right there. That's it. All right,
You have to let it sit.
read the directions. I thought you were the plug master.
I've had good luck, just not now, I guess. What are we gonna do?
The truck is leveled and he is also running a bumper spacer. So look how big that wheel well looks with the factory wheel and tire in there. It just needs to have that in there. I don't know, what do you guys think? Vote below in the comments. We also get bombarded with a ton of questions on the wheel and tire setup. So yeah, 22x12 fuel Contra and a 371350 R22 amp MT, along with a 2.5-inch Ready Lift leveling kit. He's also running a bumper spacer. Yeah, we need more wood. It's getting cold in here. All right,
I don't know a chance.
let's see it. Come on, hurry up.
There ain't a chance.
Fire's going out. We need more. Don't break the thing.
Don't hit your leg.
Oh! Oh, you got it. You're a real lumberjack.
All right.
All right, go throw them in.